guys, welcome back to Fun with Sanaya and to a brand new video. Now this is the right time for me to share this. एक दो दिन पहले जानी थी, clip shoot की थी, but I didn't like it so much, so I'm shooting it again. So, you guys have a lot of Black Friday sales going on. Nykaa का Pink Friday sale भी चालू हो गया है, so you guys can purchase a lot of products at good prices. So here's my empties video. I'm gonna quickly share इन सारे products के reviews. I'm gonna show you क्या products है. If you're interested, wait till the end and watch. I have sunscreens, hair care, skin care, some makeup products. So I'm gonna share a quick review because मैंने इनको use किया है for more than 30 days at least. I've used these products. So I'm gonna tell you how it worked for me or not, and am I gonna repurchase it or not too. So let me first set my camera here. I don't mess up. So let's start with this one. Let's start with one of my favorite moisturizers. Now this is something जो आपने YouTube पे I think every other beauty vlogger you might have seen using this. I absolutely liked it. मैंने इसको 30 days try किया. This is the Nutriderm का moisturizer. The quantity is 125 ml. The moisturizing lotion has vitamin E. ये बिल्कुल ना जॉनसन्स का कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र जो हम बचपन में यूज़ करते थे उस जैसा स्मेल करता है. द स्मेल्स वेरी गुड एंड इट मॉइस्चराइजेज योर स्किन वेल एंड इट इज़ नॉट ग्रीसी और ऑयली. आई मीन इसको लगाने के बाद योर स्किन इज़ गोना बी सो सॉफ्ट एंड सपल, बट आपकी स्किन ग्रीसी और ऑयली नहीं लगेगी, विच इज़ समथिंग दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव अबाउट इट. एंड या इसका प्राइस था समवेयर अराउंड 850 रुपीज़. नाउ दिस इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन नायका, तो मैंने इसको परचेज़ किया था purple.com से. अमेज़ॉन पे भी अवेलेबल है. मैं लिंक सारी चीज़ों की डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दूँगी, सो यू कैन परचेज इट फ्रॉम देयर. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई लव एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोना रीपरचेज. Let's move to the next one. So let's talk about sunscreens. Okay, so this is Lotus का Safe Sun. You can see मैंने कितना यूज़ किया इसको. This is the gel sunscreen. So this was the size. मैंने इसको काट के भी यूज़ कर लिया. Indians, you know. So this has SPF 50 and this is for oily to normal skin. This was for 455 rupees and I've used इसके कई सारे bottles. मैंने इसको कई बार repurchase किया and I absolutely love it. It moisturizes your skin well. It works like a good sunscreen of course. कोई भी sunscreen है आपको लगाना पड़ता है उसको. You have to reapply 3-4 घंटे में. And yeah, एक ही problem रही मुझे इसकी कि this is a little sticky. So I'm not gonna repurchase it because इतने टाइम मैंने इसको यूज़ किया. This was good, but I need something better now. So I don't want it something sticky. So this is super sticky, which is why I'm not gonna repurchase it. And I got a new one. This is the sunscreen by La Shield. So this has SPF 40. This is doctor recommended, dermatologically tested. This is very good. ये आपकी स्किन को सॉफ्ट सपल बनाता है, थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है और सनस्क्रीन का काम करता है. बट एक ही प्रॉब्लम इसके साथ है, ये है वाइट कास्ट. जैसे अगर आप कोई भी क्रीम, अगर आप कई बार अपने से गलत शेड का फाउंडेशन लेते हो तो कैसे ग्रे जैसा आपके आँखों के नीचे हो जाता है उस फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर से. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट दिस डज. ये बहुत ज़्यादा वाइट लगने लगता है. आई मीन अब अगर आप इसके ऊपर कुछ अप्लाई करते हो, नॉट रियली नो, बट yeah, it has white cast. It's not the best sunscreen, but it does the job. इसका प्राइस था, I'm not sure. Let me check. I think I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm not able to find the price. So I think this was for somewhere 450 rupees. I'll put it in the description or link B. You can get this from Nykaa. Next is the Minimalist का serum. This is something niacinamide, 10% niacinamide plus zinc. काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में because I think a lot of people are buying this. This is very good. I'm absolutely happy with this. मैंने इसको 30 days यूज़ किया ना. अगर आप salicylic acid या niacinamide जैसी कोई चीज़ अप्लाई कर रहे हो, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट रिजल्ट्स 1-2-3 दिन में या एक हफ्ते में. गिव इट टाइम. इट कैन टेक 15 to 20 days. और नायासिनामाइड से आपका स्किन थोड़ा ब्राइटर लगने लगेगा. डार्क स्पॉट जो है उसको रिड्यूस करेगा. एक्ने कंट्रोल करने में थोड़ा सा हेल्प करता है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा नहीं बट थोड़ा सा. बट डार्क स्पॉट्स इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स यू विद दैट. इसका प्राइस था 599 रुपीज़ एंड दिस लास्टेड मी फॉर गुड 1 month. so the quantity is good. And you have like a dropper इसमें, and इससे you have like a white transparent gel. You apply it to cocoa and shea butter. Now I absolutely love this for the smell. इसकी smell काफ़ी अच्छी है. The quantity is good for the price, 400 ml है. And I love the bottle. It's not very travel friendly but easy to use अगर आप घर पे इसको moisturizer को यूज़ करना चाहते हो, को body moisturizer. Hassle नहीं है to open the entire cap and pour. You just have to press the pump and it comes out. And it locks properly too. अगर आपने ऐसे turn कर दिया तो it locks. So this is non-greasy and it definitely is a good moisturizer. It moisturizes my skin well. I don't use it for face, of course. I use it for my hands and legs, and it's good. Last moisturizer we have is a doctor recommended one. So this was recommended by the dermat to my sister when she was going through the acne treatment process. So this is very moisturizing. मुझे काफ़ी oily लगता है, but अगर आप थोड़ा सा ही product लगाओगे, so it's gonna moisturize your skin really well. I remember seeing her skin like extremely soft, supple and super moisturized, and it, even after it being so oily and soft and supple, it doesn't increase your acne because it is specially recommended by the doctor when she is in the process of reducing her acne, of course. So this has vitamin E and you can use this every day. Iska price I don't remember. Okay, it is for 398 rupees. You can get this, आप check कर सकते हो, online available है तो online ले लो, otherwise medical store पे आसानी से मिल जाएगा. This is by Dr. Reddy's. Reddy's. Okay. That's it. Moisturizer सारे ख़त्म हो गए. Let's get to the primer. So, primer में this is the Lakme Absolute का primer. I still have a little. I'm gonna show you how it looks. काफ़ी सारा हो गया. So this is how it looks. It's gel based and you rub and it gets absorbed in your skin अच्छे से. Now this makes your skin soft and supple. इसके ऊपर मेकअप लगाने पे it's okay. I don't think this is the best primer because इसके ऊपर मेकअप लगाने के बाद भी I just don't feel like I've put a very good primer जिससे बेस बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया. It makes your skin soft and smooth. Works like a okay primer, but I'm not really a fan of it, so I'm not gonna buy it again. Price, let me check. This was for 750 rupees. Seriously, I paid 750 rupees for this. Absolutely useless for 750 rupees. अगर ये 300-400 का होता हो तो फिर भी ठीक है, but I don't like it. Maybe it works for other people. I didn't like it. Now this is my holy grail primer. I absolutely loved it, but this is discontinued. अगर आपको मिलता है तो definitely give it a try. This is the anti redness one. इसका प्राइस था somewhere around 699 rupees, I guess. And I don't know why Maybelline has discontinued this one. I was not able to find it in the stores. I was not able to find it online too. But this really helps. अगर आपके चेहरे पे redness नहीं है but सिर्फ dullness है या फिर discoloration है, even skin tone नहीं है, this is gonna help you a little with all of that. आपके मेकअप के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा बेस क्रिएट कर देता है and the makeup looks so fabulous in this. And also a lot of times when I had to go out, I just applied my moisturizer and this primer और थोड़ा सा blush या फिर lip and cheek tint. That's it. I'm good. I didn't have to apply the foundation or concealer too. It's that good. I absolutely love it and I really want to repurchase it, but I'm not able to find it. Maybe I'm gonna try. नायका की सेल में I'm gonna order a lot of products and I'm gonna share reviews इन पे भी, या फिर I'll do a haul कि मैंने क्या क्या ख़रीदा once I receive my order. So this time I'm gonna try the K Beauty का anti redness and let's see if that's a dupe for this one. Okay, let's get to some hair care. So this product is by Tribe Concept. Tribe Concept के और भी काफ़ी सारे products हैं जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, काफ़ी सारे. I mean I have tried उनके 2 oils, face serum, hair cleanser and this one and the body upton too. So if you want to see like a separate Tribe Concept video, do let me know. I can share the entire review क्योंकि मैंने Tribe Concept के products भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम के लिए इस्तेमाल किए हैं. Now this one is a root strengthening mask. It conditions your hair और आपकी बालों की roots को strong बनाता है. Hair mask है, it's like the powder. इसको आप दही में या फिर पानी में मिक्स करके लगा सकते हैं. ऑलवेज अप्लाई इट विद अ योगर्ट एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कोकोनट ऑयल इसमें डाल के. यू कैन अप्लाई इट विद वट एवर यू वांट. सो आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. रूट स्ट्रेंथनिंग, क्या ये हेल्प करता है? यस, ये आपकी रूट्स को स्ट्रेंथन करने में थोड़ा हेल्प करता है. क्या कंडीशन करने में हेल्प करता है? थोड़ा सा. आई वुडेंट से लगाने के बाद आपके बाल बहुत सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ हो जाते हैं, बट अ लिटिल इट बिकम्स मैनेजेबल हो जाते हैं. बट स्ट्रेंथनिंग पे डेफिनेटली दिस वर्क्स. सो यू शुड गिव इट अ ट्राई. दिस वॉज फॉर 649 रुपीज़. इट गोज़ अ लॉन्ग वे. पूरा महीना चल जाता है. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड जार, सो आई लव इट सो मच एंड आई गॉट अ सेकेंड जार. एंड आई थिंक आई don't see a replacement for now at least के लिए, because this is so natural, so good and makes my hair, my roots actually strong. That is what I absolutely love about this. So moving on, this is from Nivea, the whitening smooth skin deodorant. 48 hours कहता है, but I would say 12 hours तक ये सही काम करता है. Of course you reapply your deodorant इसके बाद. प्राइस 199 रुपीज़ है, बट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आप स्टोर्स में या फिर ऑनलाइन ये काफ़ी कम प्राइस पे आपको मिल जाता है. दिस इज़ मे बी माई 5th and 6th बॉटल. इससे बेहतर रोल ऑन डिओड्रेंट आई वॉज़न्ट एबल टू फाइंड. इसका स्मेल इज़ रियली गुड एंड इट्स लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. इट हेल्प्स यू विद द ओडर. डेफिनेटली वर्थ गिविंग अ ट्राई. Next is the lip balm. This is by Neutrogena. So lip moisturizers, I know a lot of us don't pay attention to lip moisturization. हम बस कोई भी lip balm लगा देते हैं, but make sure जैसे आपके आपके face को sunscreen की ज़रूरत है to protect you from the sun, your lips also need SPF to protect it. So इसके लिए इसमें है SPF 15. That's what I like it for. It's a transparent one. के सभी ख़त्म हो गया तो I can't show you anything, but it was transparent one and yeah, it does the job really well. You're able to see थोड़ा सा product आप लोग. Yep, I absolutely love it. Moisturizes your lips really well. It keeps your lips hydrated और आपको sun से भी protect करता है because this has SPF 15. But I am not gonna repurchase this. You know why? Because of the packaging. सिर्फ पैकेजिंग की वजह से मैं प्रोडक्ट repurchase नहीं करूँगी, because the packaging is so bad. Now this cap, I have to really pull it to open, and sometimes when I'm doing the pulling thing, what happens is यहाँ से ये automatically rotate होने लगता है और rotate होके ये कैप में लग जाता है और जब मैं इसको खोलती हूँ सारा lip balm कैप में. And I wasted a lot of lip balm ऐसे इसमें का. So it's such a hassle to open every single time I have to use it, and I have to be very careful कि product cap में नहीं लगे, which is why I'm not gonna repurchase it and I'm gonna find another SPF वाला lip balm. But if you are okay with the hassle, you definitely can go for it. It's a good lip balm. Okay, next is the Color Bar का nail polish remover. I like it. It's a good nail polish remover. इसमें विटामिन B5 है, प्रोटीन है. This was for 125 rupees. Yeah, and the quantity is pretty good. I know locally अगर आप कोई भी nail polish remover खरीदते हो तो you get it for like 30-40 rupees, which is good. But अगर आप regularly nail polish remove करते हो, अगर आप काफ़ी nail polish लगाते हो, change करते रहते हो, so this is something that you should buy because you know this has protein and vitamin B5, so it's better for your nails, of course. And this goes a long way. एक महीना तो चल जाएगा. Next we have is the Tribe Concept का गुमगुमादी तेलम. I know काफ़ी ज़्यादा hype रहा है Tribe Concept के products के बारे में. I'm sharing 2 of them right now. एक था hair mask and this is other one. So I absolutely love it. इससे आपका skin जो है आई वुड से डार्क स्पॉट्स रिड्यूस करने में थोड़ा हेल्प करता है. विजिबल डिफरेंस आपको एक हफ्ते में दिखना चाहिए. इसमें है सैफरन, हरिद्रा एंड मंजष्टी. सो आई लव इट बिकॉज डार्क स्पॉट रिड्यूस करने में हेल्प करता है और इसके साथ साथ ऑयल जो है आपके फेस को मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है. बट इफ़ यू हैव एक्ने, आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट यू रियली शुड गो फॉर, और दिस इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट यू शुड यूज़ ऑन डेली बेसिस. 4-5 दिन में या हफ्ते में 2 बार इज़ गुड इनफ because the oil can cause a lot of acne then. But It does help with reducing the spots, the dark spots, makes your skin brighter. अगर आपको टैनिंग हुआ है या फिर आपका स्किन looks has uneven skin tone, it can help you a little with that, I would say. Oh, I forgot to share the price. इसका price, I think this was for $699, somewhere below $700. So I'm gonna share all the links in description. You can of course click on the link and check the prices too. Now this is the compact by Fit Me shade 220. इसका price था I guess 300 rupees or something, I don't remember now. But matte and poreless, this was a good one. I've hit the pan already. One complaint that I have, guys, please do something about the mirror. It's difficult. यहाँ से brush लेके फिर यहाँ से powder लेके फिर ये आईना open करके मैं कैसे लगाऊंगी? It's just tough that way. But the packaging looks very good. And open and close hona is easy. I traveled with this and it did not break, which is nice. Am I gonna repurchase this? I am not sure. I think I'm gonna try a better one to see. This is good, but I think I can find a better compact. This is not the best compact because iska powder looks thoda uneven and thoda artificial. Next is this. Absolutely useless sheets. So what do you call this? Nose strips. So these are nose strips, blackheads, whiteheads और oil and dirt remove करने के लिए. The charcoal nose strips. This was for 100 rupees I guess. इसमें 3 strips आते हैं. It was absolutely useless. I mean एक आध बार I have seen कि blackheads remove हुए, but फिर of course ऐसा नहीं कि मैं इसको रोज़ यूज़ कर रही थी. मैंने 2-3 हफ्ते बाद फिर से इसको लगाया and it did not do anything at all. So I was not very happy with this. Maybe it works for other people but didn't really work for me. Okay, let's get into some makeup. So this is the highlighter by K Beauty. Open it. I think this was for 799 rupees or something. I don't remember what shade it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Frosted Ice. Okay, so this one is really pigmented. I'm gonna apply and show you guys how it looks. इसमें you don't have those अजीब chunky particles. It spreads अच्छे से, gives you the glow and shine, and I absolutely love this. I haven't hit the pan, so I'm gonna use it for now. Am I gonna repurchase? I'm not really sure, but is it a good highlighter? Because I don't repurchase a lot of good products क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं और बेहतर products ढूंढूँ और दूसरी चीज़ें try करूँ. But is this a good product? Absolutely it is. Is this a good highlighter? Does it have the chunky thing? No. अच्छा सा shine देता है, finish is good, and I absolutely love it. And the packaging is also very good. I mean, it opens up like tight है, easily भी नहीं खुलेगा और ऐसा भी नहीं कि खोल ही नहीं पाओ. And they have a mirror also, which is nice. And the rose gold thing looks pretty. So we have a couple of more things. Let's get a little closer. Okay, so पहले ये hair product and then those makeup products. So this is a dry shampoo. अगर आपको नहीं पता है dry shampoo क्या है, dry shampoo is something जब आपके बाल शावर लेने के दूसरे या तीसरे दिन पे ऑयली और ग्रीसी हो जाते हैं, राइट? एंड यू डोंट रियली वांट टू वॉश योर एंटायर हेयर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बट फिर कहीं बाहर जाना होता है. यू ऑल्सो डोंट वांट ऑयली एंड ग्रीसी हेयर, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट कम्स टू अ पिक्चर देन. Batista का ड्राई शैम्पू, दिस इज़ द फ्रूटी एंड चीकी चेरी. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द चेरी वन. इसका फ्रेग्रेंस इतना अच्छा है कि अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स जब मैं इसको अप्लाई करती हूँ, पीपल आस्क मी कि कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है, बट आई एम लाइक नो, इट्स माई ड्राई शैम्पू. सो ये इंस्टेंट फ्रेश हेयर आपको देता है. सो वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज़, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ स्प्रे, जस्ट लाइक आप अपना डिओड्रेंट परफ्यूम कुछ भी स्प्रे करते हो, वैसे ही ये आपके बाल जहाँ पर ऑयली एंड ग्रीसी है उस पर स्प्रे करोगे, एंड देन उसके बाद यू रब योर हेयर, and then that's it. You have fresh and nice hair, no oil, no stickiness. So yeah, the price, I'm sorry, this was for 649 rupees Nykaa, पर there is the sale on. I'm not sure इस पे sale है कि नहीं है, but you can check out. You can find it in a better price maybe. Am I gonna repurchase it? Absolutely, I am. I love it. And let's get to some makeup products. This is the kajal. This is by Faces. Yeah, Faces Canada का काजल है ये. Now this is smudge proof. I absolutely love it. ये मेरा 3rd या 4th pencil है, and I always I mean, even if I try something new, I then get back to this one. I absolutely love this, and it's because ये price भी इसका affordable है. This was for 199, and a lot of other kajals by Lakme and other brands are at least for like 299 or 499 something. So I think this is budget friendly, smudge proof, and the packaging is also pretty good, so I absolutely like it. And if you're looking for a good kajal, you can go for it. Maybe इस बार अगर ये ख़त्म होगा, so because I want to experiment a little, I'm gonna try Mamaearth का the new kajal and we'll see how it is. Next is this lip shade. Now this is something that I think you absolutely should get. It is a must have lip shade. This is by Wet n Wild. The price for this was 499, and this is the shade Gimme Mocha. This is an amazing shade. I absolutely love it. This is my 3rd bottle, I guess. And am I gonna repurchase? खत्म हो गया है. Am I gonna repurchase? Yes, I am. I'm gonna try applying. Oh, you can see the shade now. It looks so good on your lips. And the best part is, इसका formula is so good. I mean, ये आपके लिप्स पे एकदम लाइट वेट रहता है. It doesn't look like ऐसे चंक्स जैसा और थोड़े टाइम बाद आपका लिप शेड में क्रैक पड़ने लगते हैं. That doesn't happen with this one. This is really good, and I think you should definitely give it a try. It is one shade that you'll wear and you will definitely get compliments. Okay, next is another lip shade. Now this is a lipstick, it's not a matte lip shade. This one was a matte, okay. So this is by Maybelline. This is a brown shade by them. I'm gonna show you the shade and I'll tell you. It's a very similar but a little dark. If you're looking for a good brown, this is good. The pigment is good. I mean, it's creamy and still ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत oily जैसा लगेगा. It's creamy but sort of has that matte finish, if you can see. Okay, the shade for this one is, it's the nude 657. Focus camera. Okay, I don't know. So it's 657, the brown shade, and this is Maybelline New York lipstick. I don't know what exactly is this called, but I'm gonna put a link in description. You can of course check. If you're looking for a good brown shade that looks matte but doesn't have to look like be a matte lipstick, also is creamy, you can go for this. Okay, last 2 products, my favorites. I absolutely love it. So this is the Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. Okay, I absolutely love this concealer by Maybelline, but Maybelline, you should change the name. Age Rewind, I mean seriously, it's not something like an anti-aging cream or something. I think all of us, if we are 18, 20, 25, 30, absolutely will love this one. I have seen a lot of really popular makeup artists using this. So this is the Maybelline का Age Rewind eraser. I'll show you how it looks. So मैंने इसको actually ख़राब कर दिया. इस पे एक sponge जैसा होता है, and when you rotate this thing, sponge पे product आता है and you can just apply it easily. I absolutely love this one, and I got this for the 2nd time, and I'm also gonna get it for the 3rd time because मैंने काफ़ी सारे concealers try करे हैं store में, but I didn't like any one. The current one I have is a Revlon का concealer, which is absolutely useless. I love this one, so I'm gonna purchase this again. And the price for this one, I have the shade Butterscotch. Always make sure you get your right shade, but Butterscotch is a little dark for me now, so I'm gonna get a lighter shade this time. Last but not not the least, one of my favorite products is this lip and cheek tint. I absolutely love this. I don't remember what shade it is, जो भी है मैं description में डाल दूँगी. इसका price was for I guess 500 rupees. This is by the brand Etude House. So Etude House के काफ़ी सारे अच्छे lip and cheek tints है. What a lip and cheek tint is, if you don't know क्या है, so lip and cheek tint is just like आपका blush. The thing is, this is in liquid, watery consistency. The moment you apply it, इसको blend करना होता है, तो ये आप lips पे भी लगा सकते हो, अपने cheeks पे भी लगा सकते हो, and sometimes if you really want, you also apply it on eyes. It's not that bad. I absolutely love this. इससे मेरा skin ऐसा नहीं है कि it doesn't look oily, it doesn't look cakey, it looks so watery. Consistency is so good because आप product लगाते हो, blend करते हो, and it's like absolutely natural glow. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि आपने चेहरे पे कुछ भी लगाया है. It just blends into your skin so nicely, and it's not gonna go away unless and until you're using a makeup remover wipe या फिर आप अपना face wash से face wash कर रहे हो. It stays for a very long time. I love it on my lips as well because it doesn't feel artificial. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है मैंने lips पे भी कुछ लगाया. I don't feel anything, but my lips look nice, plumpier, hydrated in pink, and so do my cheeks. So I absolutely love this. The shade that I want is not available on Nykaa, so maybe I'm gonna try a new lip and cheek tint and I'll let you know how it is. इसका shade और price और जो link है मैं description में डाल दूँगी. So yeah, that's it guys. That was my MP's video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you got a lot of idea to buy stuff from the sales. Now I know the sale is live, so we're gonna buy a lot of stuff, but I would always say that you know whatever you buy, make sure you're gonna use it. नई चीज़ें ट्राई करो, प्रोडक्ट्स जो आपको पसंद है, जो कम प्राइजेस पे है, अच्छे ब्रांड, एक्सपेंसिव ब्रांड्स, बाय ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट मेक श्योर यू बाय समथिंग दैट यू गोना यूज़, यू सी योर सेल्फ यूजिंग इट. ऐसा मत करो कि अगर आपको सिरम्स अच्छे लगे काफ़ी सारे, तो आप 5, 6, 7 ऐसे सिरम्स ले लो और फिर यू आर लाइक नॉट यूजिंग एनी ऑफ देम. आप उसमें से यूज़ तो 2-3 ही करोगे. सो मेक श्योर वट एवर यू बाय, you are buying wise, and yeah, bye bye for now. Also make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to watch more videos.